Hey guys, it's Oscar here. So, quick and honest review on these Bruno Marc men's MaxFlex dress sneakers. These are Oxford style and they're like this casual but at the same time dress up sneaker. This is a wingtip Brogue shoe and they have a ton of different colors, but I chose this like leather color and I think it's so cool and very classy, I would say. And overall, I was very impressed by the quality of these shoes. They look so elegant, and I just thought that the quality was like so great. And I really like the design because you can wear this on an everyday basis and they will look super classy and like formal, but they're like a very comfortable shoe to wear. And overall, I really like the color contrast in the detail of the shoe. It comes with some extra shoelaces, and I just loved like the dark blue with the brown leather color, and I just overall love the fit of the shoe. It has this responsive cushioning that it just has this covered Eva insole that keeps feet breathable and fresh while offering optimal cushioning and shock absorption. Plus, the micro arc supports and ensures that extra support when you're on the go. So, apart from looking super classy and very stylish, you're going to be super comfortable in the shoes. And I just love the shock absorption and non-slip technology these shoes have, because it is very important for shoes also to have that special grip for you not to be slipping in shoes. And overall, I would say these shoes were so comfortable. I'm going to be wearing them literally nonstop, and I just really like them. And as I mentioned before, they have different colors, so you can choose. And overall, I also love that I can wear these shoes to the office and be like formal, but I can also wear them like on an everyday basis, and they just make my outfit look super put together. And overall, final thoughts overall, this is a little close up of the shoes. I think these are some really cool shoes, very nice, classy, elegant, but at the same time on the go shoes. So if you're looking for some new dress up or classy everyday shoes, I would totally recommend these.